Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. All right, the morning after. As far as election nights go, from a tape perspective, it was pretty tame. There were a couple of decent moves. They took it back down into 2:30 in the morning, and then Europe took it up. There have been some moves, but nothing the likes of 2016, which I guess is a good thing. Although this is far from over. You've got all kinds of states that are in play. There's more ballots that need to be counted. There are more disputes to be had, more lawsuits to be filed. We knew it was not going to finish up on Tuesday night. There was literally no chance of that. So as we get into the week, the thing you have to understand is this puts us right into the middle of a news bomb tape. Okay? You're going to have results that are released during the regular session. You're going to have things that swing, things that go back and forth. You're going to have states that get called at some point in the next few days. And there are some states that could last into tomorrow. Pennsylvania said they could call it as late as Friday. So we have to be aware of how that news is going to get disseminated and what the impact is going to be on the tape. We're trading 34.06. The overnight high was 34.32. You can see it's in the times it's been settled down. It is really focused in and around either side of 33.50 to 33. Now call it 33.60 to 33.80, centered on 70 through most of the night. And then there was a period of time where it was really trying to hold the roundy at 3,400. And then in the mid band. So it's coming up underneath to retest that 34.10 area now. I'll be interested to see how that pans out. So hourly chart, and you can see, you had some, this was overnight. This was after, this was after pretty much the night had been decided. They took it down, took it back up. So we've had some spikes, some dips, but all of it really operating in a 100 handle range, which, like I said, for an election night compared to 2016, where we went limit down and then basically did a V, this has been very tame. 100 handle range is a decent FOMC report, which is tomorrow, by the way, at 2:00. And there's jobs on Friday. So there's still a lot more data points this week. This is not decided. I think you're going to have really good volatility the rest of the month, all month. The issue is going to be how choppy are the inflections and what does it look like as far as getting in these trades go. But as far as something that you're in, when it wants to work, does it want to run? That's absolutely the environment that we're in. You have to use disaster stops. You have to respect risk. You're going to have to put up with it being uneven in the way it wants you to enter. There were entries last night where it wanted you to chase. There were entries last night where it wanted to retest. And unless you're running around with 20-point stops, and nobody with half a brain is, you're going to get stopped out of some stuff, and you're going to have to re-enter. And there's sometimes when it wants to chase and fly that you're just going to miss the boat, and you're going to have to accept that. It comes with the territory. All right, so we still got a couple hours till we open the regular session. Maybe they take this all the way back up and test 32. Like I said, you've got daily midband here at 34.12. So I'll be interested to see how the interplay is with that in the pre-market. And we'll go from here. All right, so everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, be kind to each other. Take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.